Look up.
Look up, Sarah.
Yeah, look where you're going, because she can see where you're looking. She can feel it. Good girl, Shay. The syrup's like shorter than the other one. This pony saddles, the syrups don't adjust very much. Because that's the longest. And that's a 12-inch saddle. It's her size. How'd yours do that you got? Did the syrups adjust longer? A little short.
You know, it's been a while since she's been in her saddle, so I don't... You know, they adjusted longer because she fits pretty good in them.
That's what I was thinking.
Things off.
That's what I was thinking too. Make her turn around. Look where you're going, though. Look up. Up. Where you want to go. Not the ground. Hopefully you don't want to go there. Give her a little squeeze. Tell her walk on. Tell her walk on.
Squeeze. Squeeze with your legs.
Good job. Okay, tell her whoa. Whoa. Tell her back up. Shh, shh, shh.
Oh. She's like, I'm not sure what you want, kid.
Tell her good job.